Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to manually check for updates for add-ons or extensions in Firefox. In case you want to manually check for updates for an add-ons in Firefox browser, for that first open Firefox browser, then click on this one menu icon in the top right corner. In the drop-down menu, select add-ons and themes. Alternatively, you can press Ctrl plus Shift plus A keys on the keyboard to open Add-ons Manager. In the Add-ons Manager page, beside Manage your extensions, click on this one Settings gear icon. Here you will find an option for Check for updates. Click on this one. In case any update are available for your installed add-ons, it will be automatically updated. In case updates are available, that's all about this video. Bye.